Mechatronics training equipment test video. Now demonstrate the device wiring. First demonstrate the 24-volt wiring. (24 volts to terminal 9 of KA1. Terminal 5 of KA1 is connected to the 24 volts motor positive electrode. (24 volts connect to black detection sensor positive electrode. (24 volts connect to red detection sensor positive electrode. 24 volts connect to metal detection sensor positive electrode. (24 volts connect to extend cylinder positive electrode. (24 volts connect to red extended cylinder positive electrode. 24 volts connected to the metal extension cylinder positive electrode. 24 volts connect to black retract cylinder positive electrode. (24 volts connect to red retract cylinder positive electrode. 24 volts connect to metal retract cylinder positive electrode. 24 volts connect to the feed port power supply positive electrode. (24 volts connect to the left side of SB2. 24 volts connect to the left side of SB3. 24 volts connect to PLC output common terminal 1L. 24 volts connect to PLC output common terminal 2L. Now demonstrate 0-volt wiring. (0 volts connect to terminal 13 in KA1. (0 volts connect to terminal 12 in KA1. 0 volts connect to black detection sensor negative electrode. 8 of KA1 is connected to the motor negative electrode. (0 volts connect to red detection sensor negative electrode. 0 volts connect to metal detection sensor negative electrode. 0 volts connect to black cylinder negative electrode. 0 volt connect to red cylinder negative electrode. 0 volt connect to metal cylinder negative electrode. 0 volts connect to the feed port for power supply negative electrode. Zero volts connect to the right terminal of H2. 0 volts connect to the right terminal of H3. Zero volts connect to PLC input common terminal 1, M. I0.0 in PLC is connected to the material port out. I0.1 in PLC is connected to metal detection out. I0.2 in PLC is connected to metal protruding negative electrode. I0.3 in PLC is connected to the red material block sensor out. I0.4 in PLC connects to the red cylinder and extends negative electrode. I0.5 in PLC is connected to black sensor out. I0.6 in PLC connects to black cylinder and extends negative electrode. I0.7 in PLC is connected to the right side of SB2. I1.0 in PLC is connected to the right side of SB3. I1.3 in PLC connects to metal cylinder to retract negative electrode. I1.4 in PLC connects to the red cylinder to retract negative electrode. I1.5 in PLC connects to the black cylinder to retract negative electrode. PIC output Q0.0 is connected to terminal 14 in KA1. PIC output Q0.1 connects to metal cylinder positive electrode. PIC output Q0.2 connects to red cylinder positive electrode. PIC output Q0.3 connects to the black cylinder and goes positive electrode. PIC output Q0.4 is connected to the left side of H2. PIC output Q0.5 is connected to the left side of H3. PLC power supply, AC 220 volts module L terminal connected to PLC module L terminal. N terminal to N terminal. PE terminal connects to P terminal. Wiring completed. Start experiment. Turn on the main power. Turn on the 24 volts power supply. The power indicator is on, and the H3 indicator is on. The red light H3 is on when stopped, and the green light H2 is on when started. SB3 is the stop button. SB2 is the start button. Put the material blocks into the silo. Click the SB2 start button. When the sensor at the discharge port detects the material block, the conveyor belt rotates. Different blocks are pushed into the corresponding silos by the cylinders. The experiment is over. Turn off the power. Turn off the main power.